Hi, in this we will discuss LeetCode problem 1598 uh, cruel log folder. So the LeetCode file system keeps a log each time some user performs a change folder operation. Okay, the operation is described below. If it is dot dot slash means move to the parent folder of the current folder. If you are already in the main folder, remain in the same folder. Okay, if it is dot slash dot backslash remain in the same folder, and x slash means move to the child folder named x. This folder is guaranteed to always exist. Okay, you are a given list of strings logs where logs is the operation performed by the user at the ith step. Okay, so this is sequential. The file system starts in the main folder and the operation in logs are performed. Return the minimum number of operation needed to go back to the main folder after the change folder operation. Okay, so let's go to the example actually. Okay, so first of all, I have actually have d1 backslash. Okay, so currently I am in main. So I have actually d1 backslash, so I will go to d1 backslash. Now I have actually d2 backslash, so I go to d2 backslash. Then I have dot dot. Dot dot means I will go to one up dot dot backslash. So currently I am in d1 slash. Now I have actually d2 d21 actually d21 folder. Then I have actually dot slash, so I will remain in the same folder, right? Dot slash means I will be they mention that they will stay in the same folder. Now so if I have to go to the main again, so I have finished all the upper log operation. Now I have finished. Now I have to reach to the main again. So how many operation I need? So first of all, currently I am in d21 folder, so I have to go to d1 first, d1 slash, then I have to go to main. So how many actual operation need? 1 2. So actually you can actually 1 2, that's why answer is here actually 2. Got it? So actually how actually doing, like still how many folders actually I have except main, that actually our answer. If it is 0, then I have to return the 0 operation needed to go to the main. So suppose for the next example, okay, so I am in main. So the first operation is d1 slash, then I have d2 slash, then I have dot slash, so I will remain in the same folder. Now I have d3 slash, then I have dot dot slash, so I'll go to the up, so I'll reach d2 slash, then I have actually d31 slash, right? So now I have finished all the log operations, so I have to reach to the main again. So how many operation I need? So first of all I have to go to the d2, then I have to go to d1, then I have to go to main. So 1 2 3, so you can actually check answer will be 3. Here also answer is 3. Got it? So actually how we are doing, so how many actually new except main, how many folder actually I have d1 d2 and d3 1, that's why answer is 3. Got it? Now for the example, this example 3, first of all I am in main, then I have actually d1 slash, so I'll reach d1, then I have dot dot slash, so I'll go to the main again, then I have dot dot slash, so I will remain in they mention that if I'm in the main folder and if I do some operation like dot dot slash, so I will remain in the same folder. So I will remain in the same folder again, I will be in the same folder. Got it? So I'm already in the main folder, so any new except main new folder, any new folder, no. So that's the answer will be 0. Got it? That's the answer is 0. Got it? So actually what I'm doing, so whenever I will see any dot dot slash, so I will go to the one step back. Got it? And if I slash see any operation like dot slash, so I will remain in the same folder, right? And if I see any folder like star, anything except this, so this will be go to the one depth, right? So you can actually check, like actually, so whenever like our current depth is initially 0, this actually indicate that we are currently in main. Okay, now we are seeing any like x slash, we are seeing any operation like x slash, so our depth will be increased by 1. So we are going to x folder, so our depth is currently 1. Got it? Next operation I have actually y slash, so I will go to the y, so our depth will be So previously I have main, then I go to the x, then I go to y. So depth is 2. Okay. Now suppose I have finished all the operation. So how many actually operation need to go to the main? So actually by logical I need actually 2 operation, right? So actually you can also check that whatever our depth is currently, so actually I need that much actually operation here. So our current depth is 2. So our answer will be here actually 2. Got it? And whenever this is for when all are actually um, start this third situation, right? So if I any found any like whenever I found anything dot dot slash, so I will just suppose here actually I have actually dot dot slash, so I'll go to the parent actually. So I'll go to the parent mean I will go to the x, so I will just decrease the depth as 1. Got it? Got it? And if it is already 0, then I can't go to the any parent, because we are already in main. 0 means what? We are in main actually, right? So if it is in already 0 and we are doing any operation dot dot slash, so we should be in 0. Got it? And we are seeing any dot slash, so our depth should be remain depth. Depth should not change. Got it? So let's go to the code actually. So suppose the current depth initially is 0. It indicates that we are currently in main. So we are traversing the all logs. Okay, suppose we have got um, any string like dot dot slash. Dot dot slash means what? We'll go to the parent of the current folder. So what will happen? I will decrease the depth. So current depth -1, and suppose we are in the main folder. So 0 minus 1 will be what? -1, and our current and what is the actually depth? Actually, it can be possible minimum 0, because 0 indicate minimum main folder. So we can't go to beyond 0, right? So that's why we are doing any max operation. Like if it is a non-zero, like 2 minus 1, I will go to the depth will be 1, but minimum value should be 0. So that's why I added a condition, like if it is 0, we are already in main folder, then stay in the main folder all that time, right? That's the current depth is equal to max of 0 of and current depth -1. Okay. Now if it is not dot dot slash, then what we can actually get? We can get dot slash or x slash. X means like any folder. That's why if this situation, it doesn't matter anything, because we currently will be in the same depth, so depth will be remain same. That's why we're not doing anything. But for anything except this, like a start dot x, that's why our depth will be increased by 1, because we're going to one folder, nested one folder. So that's how our current depth will be increased. And at the end, whenever done did all the operation, then I will check what is the current depth. If it is 0, whatever the depth, that many times actual operation I needed to go to the actual main, right? Got the logic? So what is the time velocity of this? Time velocity is where number of operation I have or log size. And what is the space complexity? Anything? No, we are just doing any one taken a variable current depth. So time velocity will be big of 1. Got it? We can actually one operation actually we can actually check by using stack actually, like whatever actually in this situation, like what we are doing. So whenever we seeing any x slash, so we are going to the that folder x. So suppose in using stack, initially all are empty, so we are in main. Okay, now we are seeing anything x slash, so I have inserted this into our current folder, current directory. Now I have seen any one directory again, one folder again, one slash. So I'll go to this folder. Now I'll go to the Z, suppose. So I'll go to the Z slash. Now I have done some operation. If it is in a dot slash, then I do not have to do anything. It will remain same. But if I say anything like dot dot slash, then what I have to do? I have to go to the parent of this. So currently our folder is Z1. So I'll Z slash. So I'll go to the Y slash. So I will just pop this into our from our stack. Got it? So our current stack will be x slash and y slash. Got it? Now if I have done suppose all the operation and current stack is like look like this, so how many actual operation needed to go to the actual main? So what is the size of the current stack? Y and x, two folder are there, so that's our answer will be 2. Got it? Whatever the stack size at the end, actually I can actually I need actually that much actual operation. So on operation actually that's one situation even actually check, like when I'm seeing anything initially it is dot dot slash, Also I have dot dot slash. Got it. So in this situation, what will happen? Initially our stack is empty, so I don't have any new folder except main. So if I do this operation dot dot slash, what will do? I can't. There is no parent of this, so I will remain in the same. Got it. So I'll check if it is our stack is empty, so I can't do any pop operation. Got it. And also for the situation still also that still our stack is empty, so we can't go to the parent of this folder. Got it. So go to the code actually. So our stack is initially empty, and stack, what is the data type I will store in the stack? String type. So if I have seen anything dot dot slash, I will check has any folder I have except main. And I will check is there any folder actually present or not. I will check that what is the stack size. Stack size not equal to 0 means I have seen any folder. So I will pop this because I will go to the parent of this. Got it? Else, if what will happen? If it is dot slash, then do nothing, because this is actually what does it mean? Does it mean that stay in the same folder? Got it? So depth will be same. I am not doing actually anything. So if it is not that, then what will happen? This will be star slash. This is the data type. So I will just push this folder into our stack. Got it. Now in this actually we will do the operation, and at the end I will check what is the stack size. If it is 0 means I don't have to do anything operation. And it is a stack have x slash, so I need actually one operation to go to the main. Got it. And what is the time also of this? We are traversing as each log once, so that's the time also will be big of n. And what is the space complexity? Space complexity will be big of n again. Why? Because we have taken a stack, we are storing all the logs. If it is x slash y slash any folder, that situation we are storing this into a stack. Suppose this may happen that all operation they have done actually new folder, x slash y slash then z slash then a slash, in this way actually a. Got it. So in this situation we are storing all the things, and at the end I have done all the operation. So that time we are our stack size will be n, because I have created n folder. Got it. That's why the space complexity is at the worst case big of n. What is the logic, right? What is the problem? What is how we solve without stack, with stack? Right. Thank you.